Hello and welcome to another lesson that is part of the TI30XB student course. In this lesson, we'll be covering multiplication and division of fractions, simple fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. Our first example is we're going to show how to use the calculator to multiply and divide fractions, including mixed numbers. So we're going to use the TI30XB to first of all calculate 5 1/6 multiplied by 4/5. Following that, we're going to ask the TI30XB to calculate 5 1/6 divided by 1 1/4. And in each instance, we want to give our answer as a mixed number. So let's first of all do part A. So we enter 5 first of all, and then we press second and then our fraction key, and this gives us our mixed number template. We enter 1 in the numerator box, down arrow, and then enter 6 in the denominator box, and press arrow to the right to move out of that mixed number. Press the multiplication key, then enter 4. Press the fraction key and then enter 5 in the denominator box. Arrow to the right to move out of that second fraction. And we press enter. And it gives us an answer of 62 on 15. Now, if we want to give that answer as a mixed number, then what we can do is we can press second, then times 10 to the n, press enter, and it gives us an answer of 4 on 2/15. Similarly, if I go up and grab 5 1/6 times 4/5, bring that down to a new entry line, I can perform this conversion to a mixed number directly. I can press second times 10 to the n, press enter, and there we get 4 and 2/15. So you can get the improper fraction as an intermediate answer, or you can go straight to the mixed number answer. Okay, let's have a look now at part B, which is concerning division. And here what we're going to do is I'm going to press arrow up once, up twice, to highlight our previous calculation and the conversion command, and press enter to bring it down to a new entry line. I'm now going to arrow to the left to move the cursor over the multiplication sign, and I'm going to replace it with the division sign. Now I'm going to add that second fraction by pressing second and then our fraction key. Now remember that we're going to be dividing 5 1/6 divided by 1 1/4. So there's our 1, arrow to the right, 1 in the numerator box, arrow down for 4, and then arrow to the right. And notice that we have to remove that fraction 4/5. So we press arrow to the right, and we've got that sorted, and we now press delete until that fraction 4/5 has been removed. So now our calculation looks good. We want to calculate 5 1/6 divided by 1 1/4, and we want to directly express that as a mixed number. So we press enter and we get 4 and 2/15. And note that we get the same answer for both calculations. What's going on? Well, 5 1/6 has remained the same. We've gone from multiplication to division, and we've changed the fraction. So what's happened here is to find the quotient of two fractions, we convert division to multiplication and then multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 1 1/4 is the same as 5 quarters, and 1 divided by 5 quarters is the same as 4/5. So divided by 5 quarters has the same effect or gives the same answer as multiplying by 4/5. And that's why the answers to those two calculations are the same. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.